Hello, I'm Namsi Pro. I'm going to show you my AIDE mode that has Python running on it. So do well to subscribe and view for the release. Do well to subscribe and view my channel for the release of it. So let's go down to the settings. So let's open the project, and here you have to create the project. So now let's create the project. Now we are going to go scroll down and we see some Python syntax. So let's click on it. So we have two of them, new Python quiz maker and Python Hello World. So we have to choose from one. So I'm going to choose Hello World. So let's run Hello World now. So let's run Hello World. And here it said Python skill. You can name it anything you like. You can name it anything you desire. Let me name it Hello App Incredible. So we are going to open the project. Yeah, it said open Python project. So I'm going to open the main app and press OK. So here is it. The Python project has been created. So I'm going to play it now. In this keyword, press play on it and let's see how it works. So I'm going to play it now. So it is running, and now here is the Python Hello World. So that's for you to see. So we are going to go back and let's input something else. Let's input something like Python Hello World. Python Hello World is working. So for you to be sure it is working, and let's save it and play it. So we are going to exist in this main thread. So let's exist here, and here let's see it. Hello World is working. Now you see it. So let's exist from here. So Hello World is working in Python. Hello World is working in Python. So let's run it. Let's save it again and run it. Let's save it again and run it. Let's see the output. Say yes, Hello World is working in Python. So for you to be sure, let's just exist. And now let's go back and create another second project, which is quiz maker, which is Python quiz maker. So let's go on and create it. Let's go on and create it. Name it quiz script. Let's create it. Now we have created this, so let's open it. So here is the quiz. Here it said multi-choice type the answer, and everything is. Let's cross check everything. Please input the language. Okay, so let's say please select the quiz type TM. It is definitely Python working on AIDE. Every sentence, including the current sentence, is all working. I'm planning on including the error checkers. So it will be detecting errors when you type. So that one is for the next update. But for this, I'm going to release the video of this to show you how it works. So let's go down and run it. Let's press play. Now you see it's working. You see multi-choice, type the answer. So I'm going to select input the question. So I'm going to add is AID an app? An Android app? So this is the question. So you're going to say the correct answer. I should start the correct answer and say yes. And you're going to say input 3 wrong. No. I say maybe. I don't know. So do you want any question? So I will say no. No for now. So you ask me, do you want to add a question? So you say, is AID an answer? If I type A, C, which is B, which is maybe, it will say long. So sorry, waste your say sorry. So see, AI is working. So make I if I type answer T is T question. So this is how it works. So let's exit from here by pressing Ctrl D. Let's exit. Now this is how AID is working in Python. So it is real. So I'm going to release it soon. So stay in for the release. Thank you. The only thing you have to do is subscribe to my channel for more viewers. Then I will release the source code of AID to you all. Thank you.